Okay, having a look at 2D shapes, perimeter and area today. Square, squished over is a rhombus. Rectangle, squished over is a parallelogram. A kite. In a kite, I want you to notice that the diagonals meet at right angles. Trapezium can be drawn three ways. It is a right angle trapezium. This is an isosceles trapezium, and this is just an ordinary trapezium. Trapezium must have one set of parallel lines. So example 1 here. Which quadrilateral has 4 equal sides? So it's either the square or the rhombus. Rotational order symmetry 2. That's going to be the rhombus because the square's got rotational order of 4. Have a look at the triangles now. Equilateral 3 equal sides, isosceles 2 equal sides, 2 equal angles, right angles, and then scaling. Which triangle's got one line of symmetry? That's pretty straightforward. Isosceles. Example 3. Draw a quadrilateral with no lines of symmetry, 2 equal angles, and 2 pairs of parallel sides. Well, that is your parallelogram. Because you've got 2 pairs of equal sides, 2 pairs of parallel sides, and no lines of symmetry. Notice the way you use double-headed arrows for one set and single-headed arrows for the other. Now, just your quick recall over this. Perimeter is total distance right outside of a shape. Special case is a circle, and the perimeter is called a circumference, and it's pi times the diameter. And just remember, diameter goes the whole way, radius is only half. Area. For basic shapes, the area of quadrilaterals is base times the perpendicular height. That's a straight up height. Special cases. A triangle, you divide it by 2. A circle is pi r squared. And a trapezium, it's a half the opposite sides times the height between them. We're going to do a few examples now. Okay, starting at the top one here. You've got a flower bed and patio, 30 metres, 10 metres, and the lawn. Lawn seeds comes in boxes that cost £7. Each box covers 10 metres squared. How much will it be to do the lawn? So first of all, you have to work out the area of lawn. So the area of the lawn is the garden. Take away the flower bed and the patio. Together, they make a circle. So it's 300. Take away area of a circle is pi r squared. Now, your radius is going to be 5. So it's pi times 5 squared. Taking those two away, you get 221.4 metres squared. Each box covers 10 metres squared. So the number of boxes that you need is 221.4 divided by 10. So 22.14. You can't buy 22.14 boxes. So you need to buy 23 boxes. So the cost of 23 boxes, £7 each, gives you 161. The next question here. Find the area of this isosceles trapezium. First thing, that's 45. So this angle is 45, and that's a right angle. So that side equals that side. Same over here because it's isosceles trapezium. So it's going to be exactly the same. So that side equals that side. This is going to be 16. This side is 16. This side is 16. That means this length is going to be 52 minus 16 minus 16, giving you an answer of 20. So the area of that, area of trapezium, add the opposite sides. So 20 add 52 divided by 2, times by the height between them. So 20 add 52 divided by 2, times by 16, gives you an answer of 576 centimetres squared. Example 6. Consider a square and a triangle. I have to draw them out. The square's got sides x. The base and the height of the triangle are equal. So let's get the triangle drawn out. So the base and the height are equal. Mine don't look very equal, but I'll assume they are. And they are twice as long as the square. So the square is x, this is 2x, this is 2x. The area of the triangle, so let's work that out. Area of triangle is base times height divided by 2. So 4 divided by 2 is 2. So it's 2x squared. So you're told the area of the triangle is 9 larger than the area of the square. Let's do area of square. Simple enough, x times x, x squared. So you're told the triangle is the square plus 9. So the triangle is 2x squared. The square is x squared plus 9. Bring this over and take it away. 2x squared minus 1x squared is 1x squared equals 9. So x equals 3. The question wants to find the perimeter of the square. So the perimeter of the square is 4 of these x's, 12 centimetres. Okay, the next one. You've got a bit of a circle. So how much of a circle do I have here? I've got 30 degrees out of 360. I've got a 1/12 of a circle. I want the perimeter. The perimeter is going to be the distance all the way around. So it's the 2 straight sides plus, that's the 6, sorry, and that's the 6, plus this curved bit. This curved bit is a circumference. But I don't have a full circle. I've only got a 1/12 of a circle. So it's a 1/12 pi times diameter. So perimeter is 12 plus a half. Now if you imagine this is the full circle, that's the centre of the circle, your diameter is going to be 12. So the perimeter is 12 plus pi, because 12 over 12 cancels off, giving you a perimeter of 15.14 centimetres. Now you want the area of this shape. Area of a circle is pi r squared. You don't have a full circle, you've got a 1/12 of one. So it's a 1/12 times pi times 6 squared, and just working that in your calculator, 9.42 centimetres squared. Now this next question, the last one I'm going to be doing, is quite hard to see from my diagrams. Probably better using it from the book that I put up. It's an industrial rolling machine. It's made up of 3 identical cylinders of radius 9. So each of these wee lines are 9. Okay, and there's a belt going around the outside. This here straight bit of the belt is 2 radiuses together. So it's 9 add 9, 18. So each straight bit there, this circle plus this circle is 18. And the same down the bottom. So it's quite hard to see from my diagram. It might be easier looking at it from the book. Now, if you can see the curved bit, okay, so let's look at this wee circle in here. Radius is 9, but my curved bit isn't the full circle. So I'll just write down the curved bit. You've got 360 degrees, you're split it into 3, so you've got a 1/3 of a circle. So my curved bit is going to be a 1/3 of the circumference, a 1/3 pi times diameter. So it's a 1/3, the diameter is going to be 18, so it's 6 pi. If you look at your diagram, you've got 3 of these curved bits all together. So your full perimeter is 3 of the curved bits plus 3 of the straight lines. And if you work that out, 18 pi plus 54 gives you 110.55 centimetres. Again, that's quite hard to see from that picture. You better use in the Word document that I've uploaded.